Dites-moi.
Qu'est-ce que vous êtes le plus fier au niveau de votre travail? Quand les gens le conçoivent ou quand la pièce est faite?
Non. Il faut comprendre qu'il est objet pour 14 jours, et ce n'est pas l'œuvre d'art. La journée de l'objet, depuis 1972 jusqu'à 1995, that journey of 25 years is the work of art. It's not the things. Because this is why we don't do commission. This is why the project, we do know what is the project. We discover the project through the permitting process. The project developed his dynamics, energy, and for 100 days or months or years, 1,000 people and millions of people thinking about something do not exist. The work exists only in the drawing sketches, but not real. Basically, the work developed participatory public, not purposely. We like to have a much less participatory public because the permission is so difficult. We're not willing to have, we're not masochists to go through all this, the expense of millions of dollars to get permission. But this is why I don't know commission. This is why this project is happening. This is why project created us interest. The same thing for all the project, from the running fence to the floating piers. It's not done for, and of course that aboutissement, if we the exhibition time of this precious 14, 16 days, that is also important dynamics. It's not something we see next month. It should say right now will be gone forever. It will not be repeated. All that is the part of the work of art. You know, that is that he creates something they were. This is all our projects have a special groupie public who is not alone interested in going to museum. They're interested to be present of something happens once in a lifetime, like us. Everybody is unique. Yeah, and of course that is the unstoppable desire, and of course, and they're very physical. They're not like a museum space. You need to go there, walk, have the wind, the rain, the snow, all these things. All this is part how the project is. This is why we do this project. They're not normal installation, gallery, and people walking around thinking about. No, this is the real things. No images, no photography. This is photography about the running fence. But in 14 days, in 1976, was the real things, 40 kilometers long. But the 40 kilometers long, not thinking about 40 kilometers. No, all these things is the real thing. This I like to do. That is, I'm very physical. I like to touch. I love to touch. I tell you, I do not talk on telephone. I don't talk on telephone. I have no ascenseur on my maison. I don't know how to drive. I do not open the computer. Okay.
Où allez-vous puiser votre énergie, monsieur Gustave?
Normalement, vous devez vivre.
Non,
je suis venu à la conférence et vous avez dit une chose que j'ai trouvé assez intéressante, un détail dans votre histoire. C'est que Berlin, vous avez beaucoup intéressé, vous avez beaucoup travaillé.
The building, Reichstag, not
Reichstag, oui. Mais vous avez dit à un moment donné, je suis bulgare et vous êtes d'origine bulgare, ça tout le monde le sait, et vous avez commencé à travailler sur Berlin au moment où il y avait encore le mur de Berlin et que vous aviez peur parfois de ne pas pouvoir entrer.
Ok, je vais expliquer. Moi, je ne suis pas bulgare. Je suis half Macedonian, quarter Bulgarian, quarter Czech. I escaped during the Hungarian Revolution, who was in 1956-57, to the west, to Austria. And I became political refugee, stateless, not like a refugee Sikh, or Turks or Afghani. And I was stateless for 17 years. I live in Paris, I made Jean-Claude in Paris, and this is how the project, the first public project, Rap Public Building, was up there, little original collage of 1961, and the text explaining that to be the public building should be prison or parliament. Take us 25, 40 years to do the Reichstag, but finally we do the parliament.
Okay.
That is the story of the origin of the parliament.
Okay.
Et c'est pour ça, et venant du pays communiste,
Oui.
I live in Paris during the Cold War. When the Berlin Wall was built in 1961, I was very impressed, and I did another work, the second public works, with the Iron Curtain, Rue Visconti in Paris, 1962.
Okay.
And arriving in New York in 1964, trying to do the public building, the first public museum was the Museum Bern, Switzerland, 68, but still the chance to do the parliament was very important.
Yes.
And that moment, the Reichstag was not yet parliament, was
Before,
in
yes.
Berlin,
In the-
and one exceptional thing is the Reichstag. This is the only building in Berlin, actually, no other building in Berlin, was in the four jurisdiction, the four military forces in Germany.
Yes.
The entire building was in British military sector, but the 35, 40 meter of east facade of the Reichstag and was a Soviet military sector. Now, and I say, if I was born in Nebraska,
Yes.
that not mean anything for me.
Okay.
For me, meaning other
Yes.
things because I'm born in a communist country.
Ok, je comprends. Et je vous posais cette question parce que André Cadéré, que vous avez peut-être connu...
Que je connais, j'ai l'œuvre de lui,
Voilà,
oui.
voilà. Bah, exactement, vous m'avez prêté d'ailleurs une œuvre quand on a fait l'exposition à PS1. J'étais le commissaire de l'exposition de Cadéré à PS1 avec Chris Dercon il y a
Longues années.
long time ago. Me disait la même chose, il venait ici à Bruxelles et puis on allait en voiture à Düsseldorf pour prendre l'avion de Düsseldorf à Berlin parce qu'il avait des soucis aussi et une espèce de crainte comme ça de se passer communiste. Et alors je voulais vous demander autre chose. À la conférence, vous avez beaucoup parlé de la mastaba.
Oui, le grand travail depuis 1969. Mais now, il faut voir que nous avons des projets qui sont des projets en urban space et rural space.
Oui.
Et des projets qui sont dessinés pour particular space, comme le Gates, c'est pour le Gates, c'est pour le Reichstag, et projets qui ont un concept. Voilà. That concept was not for them Abu Dhabi, but for Texas. Okay. This is the projet qui a un concept et on va trouver le projet. La même chose comme Floating Pier. Floating Piers for Rio de la Plata in 1970, for the Bay of Tokyo in 1960, 1996, 1997, and finally Lake Iseo 2060.
D'accord. Et vous avez dit aussi dans cette conférence, ce qui m'intéresse, c'est ce qui n'a pas encore été fait avant.
Non, c'est pas ce qui a été fait avant. Non, c'est ce qui s'est fait par moi.
Par vous, d'accord.
Par moi, c'est pas fait avant. Ok.
Ok. Et alors, une autre
Avant, non,
phrase,
c'est pas fait. Non, c'est les choses les plus importantes, comprenez, que moi-même, and tout spécialiste can hire, we do not know how to do the things.
Yes. Okay.
They're not complicated.
No.
They've simply never been done before. And this is the process who are enjoying very much, and the people who work with us enjoying very much because we do discover how we do the things. This is why for all big project, probably I say in conference, we do life size tests.
Okay.
Meaning that we cannot choose the poles, the cables, the fabric of running fences on Sully Manhattan. Meaning that we need to rent some special place secretly that we can choose variation, what fabric, how cabotage, the anchors, etc. And that was done in the plain in the Colorado, just before the Rocky Mountains, with a running fence project. We did several life-size stays in 1973, 74.
Okay, understand. Good.
Each project go through that thing. There are many, sometimes we need to do several tests. Not sufficient, like for floating pier, there was tests for the material, tests for the construction, and the Black Sea and the coast of Bulgaria, the force of the wind, many things. For the, for the get the permission, we need to supply governmental agency, permitting agency, a lot of information that the engineers do not know. They need to have it to study real material, how they reacted, and the force of the wind, and all that things. And this is why no computer, no anything can substitute the life size test.
Okay. Last question. À propos du financement de vos projets, et vous avez dit à un moment donné hier, je veux savoir utiliser le capitalisme.
Non, ça veut dire que moi je suis educated marxiste.
Oui,
and I use, no savoir, I use the capitalist system to do my project, and very simply, straightforward. We hire engineers, we pay salary, we pay works, we work with banks, all they need to have resources to pay this very expensive project. We loan money, we have collaterals, all these things is the part of how this project is done.
Okay, thank you. Merci.
Bien.